ultimate, the most awaited, and the hottest festival is on. Kaogma 2023 brings you the biggest events and the brightest stars coming this May. May 21, opening night with Ben and Ben. May 22, the Big V with Bugoy Drilon. May 23, Miss Kaogma and Boruntulan. May 24, Senior Special and Tour de Kaogma. May 25, Battle of the Bands with Bamboo. May 26, Love Struck with Moira de la Torre, Arthur Neri, Sunkist Lola, and first ever CamSur Hard Enduro Championship and Esports. May 27, Rap and Rock Fest with your favorite rapper and rock band. May 28, Worship Night. Feel the vibe and fun. Kaogma 2023. Brought to you by the provincial government and the people of Camarines Sur. Maghirilingan kita!